Make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger. If you need to find the fuse for the left headlight, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located, what special procedure you may need to do actually after replacing that fuse for the headlight to work again. And we'll talk about 3 common mistakes people make when replacing fuse or relay that can cost you thousands of dollars. All that will be covered today, guys. Very helpful information. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. So it should work on V6, V8. Specifically, we have a V6 2018 year model, and most people will open the hood and they will just hope that the fuse is in that fuse box under the hood, but it's not there, guys. It's somewhere else. For the left headlight, it's part of the exterior headlight fuse. So if you replace the fuse for the headlight and you replace a bulb, headlight bulb, and it's still not working out, guys, what else it could be causing? Sometimes a bad bulb or a fuse can a bad bulb or a fuse can actually cause the body control module, BCM, to deactivate that function so things don't get burnt or caught on fire or something like that. And in some cases, okay, we had to do it on a Dodge Caliber before, but we had to reset the body control module, so you have to clear the codes. How we do that? You need a scanner like that that can access practically every computer system in your car, read codes, delete codes, guys, and you should be ready to go. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check that scanner, that diagnostic tool, current price and features, but it works on almost any car you can think of. It's amazing too, so definitely something that you need nowadays in order to fix your modern vehicle. So what do you guys need to do? You need to open the trunk on your Dodge Charger. Once you do that, you need to leave the trunk liner right here, that's on the bottom, and once you do that, you will get to the spare tire and the car battery. Now, 3 common mistakes people here often make, guys. 1, it's almost always recommended to disconnect the car battery when replacing fuses and relays, especially for the important ones. Otherwise, it can cause damage to electrical components, modules, computers, and that can, guys, could cost you quite a bit of money to fix. Number 2, another common mistake. Most people do not know that, but it's very important to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. Otherwise, if you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics, modules. How we guys know about that? We actually made that mistake and we burned the airbag module computer on Mercedes C-Class, and that repair itself, that new computer, cost us $2,000. So there is a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out, it will teach you all about that. Very important thing. Next, the fuse box is right here. You can see all we need to do, press right here, okay, lift up like that, okay, and flip it open. That's where the fuses and relays are. And that's where the 3rd mistake comes as well, guys. So you can see you have different kind of fuses, relays. Common mistake people make here, they do not test fuses and relays. But fuses, what they do, they usually try to see through the glass and find out if the fuse is good or bad. We have had so many customers come to the garage, guys, okay, where they cannot fix certain problems. They bought parts, they replaced multiple parts, they wasted their time, they said the fuse was fine, and when we checked actually and we tested the fuse, it was blown. So by not testing the fuse, sometimes you may think you install a good fuse in the car, it's actually a bad fuse, and that way you will waste your money and time, guys. So always test fuses, relays. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from as well. So where is the fuse now? If you come right here in that, you can see a row right here on the very top one, from left to right. Even if you have a missing fuse, you still count it, guys. You have fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 fuse from left to right, but it's actually known as fuse number, okay, F07. But it's a 6 fuse from left to right. You grab that fuse, okay, and you pull it out. If you need to buy a replacement one, We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from for a good price and quick shipping as well. Get the replacement one, push it in, don't forget to install your cover. At that point, if the headlight doesn't work, check the bulb and you may need to reset the codes. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.